Hello everyone. We all hate driving on bumpy roads, right? All those cracks, potholes on the road, they can be really annoying. Now, you see, a major cause behind most of those problems is this type of soil called expansive soils. So what are expansive soils? They are soils that expand and contract a lot with change in water content. With rainfall, they'll swell up. With sunshine, they'll dry and shrink. And that causes a lot of stress to our roads and buildings. And yearly, it's worth billions of dollars in damages all around the world. Now, traditionally, what we would do if you can't avoid these type of soil is you would either replace the soil entirely or add cement or lime into the soil. The problem with these methods is that they can be really expensive, or in case of cement, it's a lot of CO2 emissions. That means it's environmentally unfriendly. Fortunately, we might actually have a better solution. See, researchers for the past couple decades have been studying this type of bacteria that can help us improve the properties of the soil. And when my advisor introduced me to this idea, I went out and tried it out in the field. So we had this nutrient tank, and it basically consists of all these chemicals that is food for the bacteria in the soil. Now we inject these chemicals into the ground with a water pump that's powered by a car battery. There's a pipe that's buried into the ground. There's a rubber lining around the pipe that can be inflated using a hand pump, and it will seal the hole. So the chemicals go into the ground and not outside the injection hole. And as the chemicals are introduced into the ground, what happens is the bacteria use all these chemicals, and in their natural process of metabolism, they help form this mineral called calcite. Calcite is a mineral that's commonly found in rocks, and what it does is it binds the soil particles together, and it makes the soil mass more strong, more stiff, and most importantly, less expansive in nature. When we did these experiments, we did 4 rounds of injections over a period of a month with an interval of 7 days between each injection, and we found that with every injection, the calcite mineral in the soil was increasing significantly. After the end of the 4th injection, the calcite had more than doubled, and the swelling potential of the soil had gone down by more than half. So we know that it works. Now, the next time you have to drive on a bumpy road or are annoyed with potholes, remember that we have all these friendly neighborhood bacteria in the soil, and with their help, we can implement this cheap and environmentally friendly way of reducing damages to our structures in the future. Thank you.